What's up, YouTube? King Cobra, malt liquor. I'm gonna slam this shit. Let's get this shit started. Sunday. What the fuck else we got to do?
I'm from the street with a hood to swallow on me, bullets to follow on me. There's so much coke that you can run the throttle. The cops cold and shit top to bottom. They say that we are prone to violence, but it's home sweet home. With personalities clash and chrome meets chrome. Coke prices up and down like it's Wall Street home. But this is worse than the Dow Jones. Your brains are now blown all over that brown chrome. When flip you are now gone. Welcome to hell where you are welcome to hell. When the shells come, you better return them. All scars, we earn them. All cars, we learn them like the back of our hand. We watch the cops hopping out the back of van. Wear a G on my chest, I don't need that for then. This ain't a sewn outfit, home comes is about it. Was clapping the flamers before I became famous. For playing me, y'all shout.
Woo! Rugby.
5 years, 40 million more. You are now looking at the 40 million boys. I'm raping Def Jam till I'm the 100 million man. R.O.C. That's where you're wrong. I came into this motherfucker 100 grand strong. 9 to be exact, from grinding G-Pack. Put this shit in motion, ain't no rewinding me back. Could make 40 over break, but one rhyme could beat that. And if somebody would've told them that hoe would sell clothing, no. Open the market up. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4. In 18 months, 80 million more. Now add that number up with the one I said before. You are now looking at one smart black boy. Mama ain't raised no fool. Put me anywhere, God, green earth. I triple my worth. Motherfucker will not lose. Put something on it. I sell ice in the winter. Move on and switch states. Cap the coupe with the roof gone and switch plates. Was born to dictate. Never follow orders. Dictate. Get your shit straight. Fuck all this is big shade. Will not lose ever. Fuck on.
Peace out, YouTube.